Hello
She's a
everyone.
saint over here. She's a female
Welcome to
saint.
our
So
Kumbh.
she will
Nice
tell
to
you
see
all the
you, brothers
lifestyle and
and
all the
sisters.
changes that they used
You
to
are
love to
so
be
beautiful.
in this life. So they will tell you everything. With any type of queries are there, you can ask from them regarding this
My
akhada.
voice
Chuna
was
akhada.
low
You can ask. Okay,
because of
please,
cold.
please tell us something.
I will try my best to talk with you. I talk in little bit of English. Okay. That was
Who called this?
Mahakumbha. Came after 144 years.
When you'll ask question with this.
Yeah. That was Mahakumbha. It is came from 144 years after, and that was yesterday. Uh, uh, Datta Maharaj's Palki was going on the second Shai Snan at the 4 p.m. on the Ganga river. We will taking the bath and then also get the Naga Sadhu's Palki to return back them. So that was the Tani. Tani was flag. That was the cultural flag that supports the spiritualism and be divine to connect the peoples to help food, rest, and spiritually. That was strong. So that is first in the Kumbh flag was installed. Then after that tent was installed. That was Gadi. That was Srimant Gadi, and that was Ashtaposhar Gadi. Sit. That was position. Be like a MLA or president. So no can politician or no one can Modi as like Obama can't sit there. That was a very big position sitting. Then after that was Devta, Dattatreya Bhagwan. That was main god of the akhada. That was Bharti Ashram Charmadi. I am Shriman. I am the position managing the Shriman. So every people was coming and take namaskar and give the some money to help akhada to Naga sadhus. They will applying the ash on the body and then they will destroy everything, every relation, every money. They will enjoying their life in the chanting and bhajan, pujan, kirtan, be like. So that was Kumbh. In the Kumbh, no caste are allowed. Every person are come and meet together. Feel very happy. Be, uh, they will spend time be like a family. So that was Mahakumbha. You will enjoy it. And now last Shahi Snan was on the 3rd February.
Al 3 febbraio. 3 febbraio.
Then
Another Mela in
yeah,
3 February.
that was a Kumbh Mela. Yesterday was 4 billion people were reached there, and 100 people was die in the crowd in morning. So Mela was morning cancelled, but at evening time we can follow up the process and completing the Palki Yatra. So that was Kumbh Mela. Little bit of information I have.
Thank you.
I can say.
Thank you.
Anything?
And where do you live normally?
I am from Rajkot, Gujarat. I have 4 ashram and I have cow. So I have feeding them and we make the products from cow dung to sell out and help the gaushalas. And I also professional speaker, divine speaker, kathakar. So I have got the pravachans, divine for.
And you don't live all together normally?
I live in my ashram, Rajkot, Gujarat.
Okay.
There was our 4 ashram, and now in the Kumbh, Akhada will give the any positions duty. My duty in this time, my brother's duty in that
Hanno
time.
delle corvée.
That was every as like office manager, post manager, co-manager, as same as like us. That was duty. So anybody can come to take information about the dharma. So we will take and send about the dharma informations. We will provide any facilities. Then after he can give his choice money to help akhada for tent, for light, for food. So that fund was managing all the help to poor sadhus. They have no shelter, they have no food, so we will provide from this money to help
C'è
them.
anche per la salute.
Anything?
Qualcuno vuole fare una domanda?
Where are you came from? Italy. Yeah, that was also Shivani Bharti become a sadhu with me. That is from Italy, in Alak Darbar. You can go to the Alak Darbar, next second tent, Alak Darbar, meet the Shivani Bharti. He is from Italy. He is also sadhu and my step guru Bahan, step sister in the guru.
Is it the same path for woman and man?
Yeah,
Is the
both
same?
same processing. But for the rules, women's are shifted to another side and men's was shifted to another side. That was brahmachari. No married person are allowed in the sadhu. If you became a sadhu, so you can avoid the marriage. You can leave the any relation. Only you will protect the God and you can manage only the bhajan. Not any connection in the family. First you can avoid the family. Then you can improve your thoughts. You have to be alone. Then after you became a sadhu, after 12 years. That was
12
processing.
years.
No relation, no physical relation, no relation. Only relation with God and Guru. Then after you can get the sadhu.
So you don't speak with people for 2 years?
I met all everyone, but I have avoided from 11 years old. In 11 years old, I have become sadhu. Now I am Shriman. 14 years I will struggling. Then after I can get the position of Shriman. Chief All India Chief Conservative position, that is called as the Shriman.
Sorry, could you repeat? Could you repeat? I could not hear.
All India Chief Conservative position, this is called as the Shriman.
Shriman.
So after 14 years, Akhada will give me Shriman position.
14 years. È un ruolo questo.
Now I am 27 years old, from 11 years to.
And there are any difference between sadhu male or female according to you?
That was same, but departments are separate.
Sì, no, intendevo come lo esercitano.
For the safety, because anyone can touch you and misbehave with you. So that was a rule. Be with rule. अखाड़े का रूल होता है.
It was your choice to become sadhu. It was a call. It was your family. What happened when you start this path?
I am starting my seva at the temples in last movement. At the little bit of 11 years old, I have going on the temple. Then after I became a sadhu. I was thought I was going to the education. First I complete my education, but I can't leave the sadhu. In sadhu I have completed my education. Now I am PhD. Get the degree. Shastri Acharya.
Quindi con il processo
आओ
di studio
कुछ पूछ रहे हैं ये लोग.
anche potuto studiare.
बताओ इनको कुछ. मैंने तो बता दिया.
मालिक